Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 mathematics subject. Okay, so in our previous class we have done some of the simple simplification, okay, of algebra. So in today's class also we are going to do some of the complex simplification. Okay, so let's start today's class. So my question is, first question, a upon a minus b, a minus c plus b upon b minus c, b minus a plus c upon c minus a, c minus b. We have to simplify it. Okay, what we have to do is simplify it. So now let's simplify it. So the question is a upon a minus b, a minus c. Okay, similarly plus b upon b minus c, b minus a plus c upon c minus a, c minus b. So in this type of question, one trick we have to always remember that if they are in a b c like that, okay, they must be arranged in a cyclic form. Okay, likewise here a, b and c. Okay, we can move in any direction. Okay, you move from this way or clockwise or anti-clockwise, any way you move. Okay, but they may be in one order. Like I am going to move in a clockwise direction. Like I will move from a to b, b to c and c to e. Okay, so in a question if there is a minus b, it is okay. But if there is b minus a, if there is b minus a, then we have to make it a minus b. We have to remember that. Okay, it's like cyclic order means it must be in one order. Okay, in one form. A minus b means okay. If there is okay, then okay. B minus c, if there is b to c, b minus c, okay. If there is c minus a, then okay. Okay, c minus a, then okay. But here some of the students become confused. In a minus b, they think, oh, a come first, b come last. Okay. B minus c, they also here also they think, okay, b comes first, then c. But here they become confused. C minus a. They think first of all a comes, then c comes. Why the teacher is writing c minus a? But one thing what we have to remember here, we are not looking here a b c d like that. Okay, what we are making here, we are making them in one order. Okay, if we make them in one order, a to b, b to c, c to a, then it will be easier for us to find the LCM and simplify this question. Okay, so it's your choice whether if you make the order like this in a cycle of a minus c, c minus b, b minus a, then also it is okay. Your choice. You can start from anywhere. So I am starting from a minus a to b, b to c, c to a, means a minus b if there is, no need to change it. B minus c, if there is, no need to change it. But if there is c minus a, then we need to change it. Okay, so let's change first. Let's check it. Okay, where it is okay. A minus b, okay, a minus b is okay. A minus c, whether we need to change or not, please tell me whether we need to change it. Yes, obviously, because it is just a minus c, it is not in one order which we are going to make. It is in just reverse order, so we have to make it c minus c. Okay, this a minus c, what we have to do is we have to make it c minus a. This means we have to change this. Okay, and now let's see here, b minus c, it is okay. B minus a, we have to change it. This one also we have to change it. C minus a, c minus a, okay. C minus b, this also we have to change it. So while changing, in my previous video I have told you, suppose there is a minus b, if you need to make it b minus a, then what we have to do, b minus a, but we have to take minus as common. Do you remember? There were suppose y minus x, if we need to make it x minus y, then what we need to do is we have to take minus common. Okay, and how it becomes I have already explained in my previous video. Okay, please you prefer that. So I am going to directly change it here. Now let me change it here. A upon, here A minus B is okay. This I need to change. I need to make it C minus A. But now I have to take minus as common, so I will write here. Okay, because I cannot write here. If I by mistake also if I write here like this, then what it will become? A minus B minus C minus A will become. So we have to write it in the front. Okay, similarly here plus is here B upon, now here we need to change this. So B minus C I am writing as it is. B minus A, what I need to do here? A minus B I need to take minus as common. Okay, so I have taken here minus common. Similarly here plus C upon C minus A is okay. C minus B, what we need to do is we need to make it B minus C. So minus common. Okay, so now the question become here minus A upon A minus B C minus A, because here it is a plus sign, plus divide minus is your minus. Okay, plus divide minus is your minus. B upon B minus C A minus B, plus divide minus is your minus. C upon C minus A B minus C. Now the question becomes in this form. Okay, so now we need to find the LCM. So for LCM, A minus B, there are two A minus B, so one will be common. C minus or B minus C, A minus B 2, one we have to take. B minus C, one we have to take. C minus A and C minus A we need to take. If you do not arrange, then your all A minus B also you have to take as LCM. A minus C, B minus C, B minus A. Okay, many it will come. So it will be very difficult in simplifying. Okay, so we have to arrange this. Okay, in one order, cyclic order. Okay, like A to B, B to C, C to A. Okay, then it will make you easier to find the LCM. Okay, now our next process is what? This denominator will divide the LCM, that is A minus B, C minus A. This A minus B and C minus A will be cancelled. What is the remaining here? B minus C. This B minus C will be multiplied with minus A, that is a minus A into B minus C. Okay, who is in the denominator here? It will divide the LCM, that will cancel, same cancel. Remaining one, B minus C is the remaining, that will be multiplied with the numerator. Okay, so next one is here. Let's see next one. Here now B minus C, A minus B. B minus C is this, A minus B is your this, cancelled. What is remaining? C minus A, that will be multiplied with minus B, that is your C minus A. Okay, so now next step, for this also it is over. C minus A, this is cancelled. B minus C, this is cancelled. What is remaining here? A minus B, that is multiplied with minus C, that is your A minus B. So now our next step is just multiply it. Minus AB plus into plus is a minus, A into B is a minus AB, minus into minus is a plus AC, minus BC, minus into minus plus AB, minus into plus minus AC, minus into minus is your plus BC, whole upon A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So now let's see here, A minus B, minus A plus B plus AB. Minus AB and plus AB is cancelled, plus AC minus AC is cancelled, minus BC plus BC is cancelled. So what is remaining there? 0 upon A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So numerator is 0, denominator is your A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So what is your answer? That is your 0. Okay. So once again, please listen to me very carefully. In this question, your question was A upon A minus B, A minus C, B upon B minus C, B minus A, plus C upon C minus A, C minus B. So in this type of questions, okay, we need to arrange the terms here. Okay, for that either we follow A to B, B to, like this I have already explained here. A, B, C. A to B, B to C, and C to A. We need to follow this order, okay? Like I mean to say, if there is A minus B, okay. But if there is B minus A, correct it. Similarly, if there is B minus C, okay. But if there is C minus B, then correct it. Similarly, if there is C minus A, then okay. C minus A, then okay. But if there is A minus C, then correct it. Okay. After that, how to correct? Likewise, if there is suppose B minus A, I need to make it. If there is suppose B minus A, I need to make it A minus B. Then what I need to do is I need to take minus common. So here plus B minus common, I am taking the minus B plus A, it will be there. So it will be your A minus B. Okay, we need to take minus common. So we will get here minus A minus B. Okay, so here A minus B was okay. Okay, A minus C we need to correct. We have corrected here C minus A and taken minus as common. Similarly here B minus A we need to correct here. I have written here A minus B and taken minus as common. Here C minus A, okay, C minus B I need to correct it. So I have taken minus common and I have written here B minus C. After that here plus, here it is your minus, divide plus divided by minus is your minus A, plus divide minus is your minus, plus divide minus is your minus. Okay, so your question become minus A upon A minus B, C minus A, minus B upon B minus C, A minus B, minus C upon C minus A, B minus C. So now you take the LCM. A minus B, I have taken once. B minus C, I have taken one. C minus A, I have taken once. So this is our LCM. After taking LCM, now having the same term A minus B, C minus A is cancelled. B minus C is remaining, that will be multiplied with minus A. Similarly here B minus C, A minus A, B is cancelled. C minus A is remaining, that will be multiplied with minus B. Okay, and last one C minus A and B minus C. C minus A and B minus C is cancelled. A minus B is remaining. Okay, that will be multiplied with minus C. Okay, after multiplying we will get this minus AB plus AC plus minus BC plus AB minus AC plus BC. Okay, upon A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, that in the numerator all will be cancelled and you will get 0 upon A minus B, B minus C and C minus A, that is your 0 upon something is your 0, that is your answer. Okay, so based on this question, I hope you have understood this question. I will give you some question to practice, please do it. Okay, the questions will be easy, okay, and that will be your as a homework. Please try, you can easily do. The questions are x minus y, 1 upon x minus y, x minus z, similarly plus 1 upon y minus x, y minus z, plus 1 upon z minus x, z minus y. Please arrange it in a cyclic order. Second question is here 1 upon x minus 3, x minus 5, plus 1 upon x minus 3, x minus 1, minus 2 upon x minus 5, x minus 1. Here you need not to arrange it, just you find the LCM and do it. Okay, third question is 1 upon x minus 3, x plus 2, plus 3 upon x plus 2, 4 minus x, plus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4. In this question you need to arrange this. You have to make it x minus 4. If you make it x minus 4, it will be easier for you to find the LCM. Okay, and your last question is x minus 1, 2x minus 1, x plus 2, plus 3 upon x plus 2, x minus 1, plus 2 upon 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x. Okay, please you see their orders. Okay, in what way they are written. If you need to arrange it, arrange that and find the LCM, then you can easily solve these questions. Okay, so I hope today's class you have understood very well. The main thing in such type of question is they must be arranged in a particular order. Okay, if ABC is there, they may be arranged in cyclic order. If XYZ is there, they also must be arranged in cyclic order. Okay, if they are in a number, okay, if they are just in like x minus 4 and 4 minus x, you need to arrange it and then you need to find the LCM. Likewise here also, x minus 1, 1 minus x is there. Please you arrange and try this question. You can easily do these questions. Okay, so thank you for today's class. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.